Do you want to understand how Banana really works? Then you are at the right place. Hi, I'm Tim, and today I will teach you everything you need to know about Banana. The ApeSwap ecosystem utilizes two proprietary utility tokens, Banana and GNANA. Each of these two tokens serves a specific, complementary purpose. To learn more about GNANA, you can watch this video, link in the description. We use Banana tokens primarily to incentivize users to add liquidity to the ApeSwap platform, and we use GNANA as a way to reward our most loyal users through access to governance and exclusive benefits. If you want to learn how to buy Banana, you can watch this video, link in the description. Banana is the primary native token of the ApeSwap ecosystem. Users can purchase it using other BNB chain or Polygon tokens on the swap tab of the exchange page. Users can also earn Banana by adding liquidity to the ApeSwap DEX. To learn more about this, check this video, link in the description. Or, you can lend Banana and other assets on our lending network to earn Banana rewards, which you can learn more about by watching this video, link is also in the description. There's currently no hard cap on the supply of Banana, making it an inflationary token. 11 bananas are emitted per block, from which 4.35 is destined to yield farms on the BNB chain, 2.5 to Banana Pool, 1 to the lending network, 1 to yield farms on Polygon, 1 to bonds, 0.7 to Dev Wallet, 0.3 is burned, and 0.15 is for GNANA pools. The emission per day is 316,800. So, you might wonder, how can this be sustainable? We have implemented several mechanics to regularly burn Banana to manage the token's inflation. Of all trading fees earned by ApeSwap, 50% are used to buy back and burn Banana on a quarterly basis. We also perform a weekly burn every Thursday, also known as Burns Day, that includes both a protocol burn and a manual burn. ApeSwap converts all GNANA raised during an IAO back to Banana and then burns it. We also have partner projects like PRDT, Gummy Bull, Growth DeFi, Bitfresh, Chips.gg and SoccerCrypt who burn Banana in various ways as part of their relationship with ApeSwap. Our current burn partners can be found on our burn page, link in description. Our business development team is always looking for more opportunities to partner with projects that would like to include burn mechanics. If you're interested in learning more, visit the partnerships page for more information. GNANA, as we said before, is complementary to Banana. The GNANA that is staked in pools collects reflect fees. We convert all GNANA collected from GNANA pools back to Banana and then burn it. Also, to buy GNANA users incur a 28% burn fee, burning even more bananas. Regarding ApeSwap lending network fees, 90% is destined to buy back Banana, and 10% for ApeSwap treasury. Of the buyback amount, 55% is locked in the ApeSwap lending network forever, and 30% is burned. So, although Banana is still inflationary, there are several mechanics that regularly burn Banana to manage the inflation, and ApeSwap's goal is for Banana to eventually become a deflationary token. In other words, the rate at which Banana leaves circulation will be higher than the rate at which it's created. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.